Welcome to our guide on mastering vocal projection for international teaching assistants. Vocal projection is the ability to control your volume and clarity, ensuring your voice carries across the room. This skill is crucial for keeping students engaged and ensuring everyone hears the lecture clearly, regardless of classroom size. In this video, we'll explore techniques to help you project your voice confidently and effectively. Let's begin our journey to becoming more effective communicators in the classroom.
Vocal projection is more than just speaking loudly. It's about clarity and control. A well-projected voice can captivate a classroom and ensure every student is engaged. Strong projection helps in delivering lectures effectively, making sure that the message is heard and understood by all. It's essential for international teaching assistants to master this skill to overcome language barriers and connect with students. Let's delve into the techniques that will help you achieve this. Effective vocal projection begins with proper breath support, providing a steady airflow for sustained volume. Diaphragmatic breathing is a key exercise to help with this. Place a hand on your abdomen and practice breathing deeply, feeling it expand and contract. Take deep breaths before speaking to maintain steady support and avoid vocal strain. This foundational technique will empower you to project your voice effortlessly.
Good posture is vital for effective vocal projection, as it keeps the chest open and allows optimal airflow. Stand or sit upright with relaxed shoulders and grounded feet. An open posture naturally aids in projecting your voice. Remember, how you hold your body can significantly impact how your voice carries. Practice maintaining this posture to enhance your vocal projection in the classroom.
Adjusting your volume according to the situation is crucial for effective communication. Practice speaking at varying volumes, ensuring clarity without strain. Try projecting your voice to the back of an empty room to build confidence. This exercise will help you emphasize key points and address larger rooms effectively. Mastering volume control will make your teaching more dynamic and engaging. Clear articulation is essential for making each word distinct and audible, contributing to better vocal projection. Practice enunciating with exercises like tongue twisters, such as red leather, yellow leather. These exercises improve clarity, allowing your voice to carry more effectively. Focus on making every word count, ensuring your students understand your message. Strong articulation complements your projection skills. To sustain healthy vocal projection, it's important to stay hydrated, as vocal cords need moisture to function well. Avoid straining your voice by relying on breath support instead of shouting. Rest your voice when possible, especially after long speaking sessions, to prevent vocal fatigue. These practices will help maintain your vocal health and ensure consistent projection. Remember, a healthy voice is a powerful teaching tool.
Strong vocal projection enhances classroom communication and creates a more engaging learning environment. Regular practice of these techniques will help you speak confidently and clearly, even in challenging settings. Mastering projection is an invaluable skill for international teaching assistants, aiding in overcoming language barriers. Embrace these strategies to become a more effective educator. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering vocal projection. Thank you for watching our guide on vocal projection for international teaching assistants. We hope these techniques empower you in your teaching journey. Keep practicing, and you'll see a remarkable difference in your classroom communication.